Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use either land or portrait mode. Alright, after that you walk into the scene. Look at me there. So at this point you want to do as if you pull this your cloth, you just drag it, then after that you just walk out. Alright, you're coming back for the second time. As you pull the cloth and clip it together, then you come back to the scene for the second time. Look at me again, position the cloth, then you use your hand and draw it as if you drew it out. Look at it, good. So at this point, show the cloth, then you can walk out. Alright, after that you can come back for the second time, but this time with another different clothes. Alright, look at it there, then you repeat the same exercise. Just drag the cloth as if you are pulling it out, then after that you leave your cloth, then you go out, pull the cloth, position it on your body, you come back for the second time like you did before, then you can now drag it out. After that you show it, then you walk out, you are coming back for the third time. Alright, this time with another different cloth again. So you walk in, look at you there, you repeat the same exercise, do as if you drag it, you leave your clothes, then you walk out. Alright, then you come back for the second time. Alright, just walk into the scene, walking like you have been doing like you did to the other ones, then you can now position it, make it fine like you see me do, then you drag it out. After dragging it out now, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. So we click on CapCut, new project now, import your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there and click it. Let's silence the volume. After this now, let us locate where we want the video to start from. Before you walk into the scene, you want to click on it and make a split. Delete this first part. So at this point, you want to click the video and expand it for a better view. That is if you like. Then after that now, you adjust the video. Look at this point where you draw your clothes. You want to be making a split here, right? Click it and make a split. Then you go again, all right? You are coming back for the second time. As you pull that cloth and position it on your body, go and look for it, this place now. Then immediately you draw it. You are going to be making another split. Look at this. Before you draw it out, make another split here. Delete this middle part, guys. Let us watch it now and see how it will look like. Good, this is nice. This part is ready. Let's locate the second part. Before you go out, no, come back. Let's come back, guys. Before you walk out, click here and make another split. Then you go. Before you walk in now, go back small, you make another split, delete this middle part again, then you walk in. As you draw this cloth again, you are going to be making another split here. Click on the video, make another split, locate this other part, as you walk in. Before you pull the cloth out, you are going to be clicking on it and make a split here as well. Delete this middle part. Play this second part as well. Let's see. Good, this is nice. So we are going to be locating the third part now. So before you walk out here, come back again. You want to click it here now and make another split, guys. So go and locate where you are walking into the scene. Before you walk into the scene, make another split here. Delete this middle part. Locate where you immediately you pull the cloth. You will click it again here and make another split, guys. Locate where you are walking in again. No, locate where you are, where you pull the cloth, sorry. As you want to pull the cloth out, you'll be making another split here and delete this middle part. All right, so at this point, let us see what this third part look like. Good, you can see how it look like. we're going to be removing the unwanted part. Immediately you do your thumbs up, all right? Come back. This is your thumbs up part. Click it and make a split here. Make a split here. Delete this last part. So at this point, let's go and play this video from the beginning, guys. Let us see what we have got, all right? At this point, it's a time of taking time to examine this video and see what we have got. You can see, is this not good? This is wonderful. This is amazing. Can try this at very comfort of your home. It's not difficult. This video is very simple to create, all right? So after watching it now and see what we have got, you are going to come back. Don't go out yet. Make sure you watch this video to the end. There are other things we are still going to add, but before then, tell us your view, tell us your take. What do you make up or think about this video? What do you think we should have added or omitted? Go and drop all that at the comment section. If you have any magic tricks, CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, all that should be dropped at the comment section as well. You might be lucky, I might pick yours, alright? If you love this video and you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial, guys. Welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point, what we are going to be doing now is you locate that demarcation, all right? Locate that demarcation, this place where we make a split, this demarcation, you click at that middle, add this mix here, all right? Add that mix there. Just click on that mix. You can reduce it, all right, maybe to 2 or 1.5. After that, you can look at it. Let us see what you can see how it look like now, but I feel it's too much. You can still decide to reduce it a bit. That is, if you like, you can make it 1, all right? Depends on you, on what you want to add here. So this is what you are going to do to the 3 demarcations. Go to the other ones as well. Before you put this one, click it and add mix. Then you reduce it to 1 or 1.5. You mark on that good. Then you go back. Then you can wash it. This is good. Look at it. Nice. You go to the third part, all right? This is the third part here. Come back. Still click it. Add mix as well. Reduce it to 1 or 1.5. After that, you mark on this good and go back. You can play it. As far as I'm concerned, at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export this your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, all right? And after adding them now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export and export this video to our gallery. Click on export now. Then you allow it to export. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, all right? But guys, remember to air your view. Tell us what you think about this video. What is your take, all right? And just in case you have a CapCut magic tricks or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video, give us thumbs up. If you love it and you love what we are doing, smash your like button, all right? This is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, guys. See you in our next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.